Hi, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be making some candles. This is my first candle kit and I did buy this on Amazon. I'm going to put the link down below for any of you who are interested in getting the same one. So let's go ahead and start unpacking this. Okay, so as soon as we open it, looks like we do get some, thank you notes in here. We have candle making instructions. So I'm gonna have to, read this and come back. We have 8 stickers with scent labels on them. They come in black and white. Looks like they have 2 little pouches. So I guess like if you wanted to gift some candles, I guess. We have 3 different dry flowers. Here are the candle wicks, and it also comes with the centering tool. Let me see if I can take it out real quick. I like these ones versus using like the wooden sticks, so I like that this kit comes with like this. Alright, then we have, of course, soy wax. This is soy wax. Get these all out of here. They give us 4 of these. Side. Looks like we have like a little metal spoon here to stir the wax and the ingredients, of course, for later. This is the digital thermometer. Hopefully it works. And let's see here. Let's start with this. Looks like we get, these are for the colors. So if you wanted to put dyes in your candles, we have black, red, purple, green, and orange. We have white. Now I've got like soy candles. Again, this is my first time making them. We have pink, but I thought they were like white already, but I guess we'll see. Brown, yellow, this is a lot of colors, and blue. So we have a lot of options for colors. I'm not sure yet if I want to do any dyes, but maybe I could try it out just to see how it comes out. We have 4 different fragrances. This one's sandalwood. We have lavender. Tight in there. Okay. Vanilla. And lemon. Okay, so let's start with this. I think this is probably the first. Yeah, these are the containers, of course. Just a normal glass container. Looks like they gave us 2 of these. This one, however, is not the clear kind. So if you don't like the clear, you have some choices here, right? This one's all black, it looks like. Yeah. I like that these comes with a box because, again, like if you wanted to gift some to a loved one, it's nice to have it in a little box. This one's a different sort of hue. Let's check the other one. Oh, okay. Let's set this to the side. Okay, so let me just line all of these up for you. They also provided us this container so we can melt the wax. But yeah, let's go ahead and get to the candle making process. Okay, so here we are with the first step. It says to put 8 ounces into this container here, and 1 bag does equal. Alright, so just a heads up, if you do get this kit, I did miss this because it did not say till step 4, and I was going in order obviously, so I didn't realize that you're actually going to have leftover wax. So make sure you have a glass container or a tea light prepared, because you will have leftover wax. So now I'm going to go ahead and move this over to the pot over here, and you're just going to place this in a pot, about 2 inches of water, and we're going to wait till the temperature gets to 185. And I did test out the thermometer. It does work. So I was scared that the battery would probably not be in there, or things like that, but no, this thermometer does seem to work, and now we just have to wait. Okay, so I did end up choosing the color green. I did only use half of the color block, so I will be showing you guys how pigmented it comes out if you just decide to use half of the dye block. Okay, so here I am pouring at the recommendation of 135 degrees Fahrenheit. I will say that they did recommend heating your jars, or at least using hot tap water to prevent pull away. I did skip that step. Honestly, I didn't think it was going to be a big deal, but I did end up with some sinkholes and like holes at the top. So if I could go back, I would try reheating the jars. So just a heads up. If you want to have like a nice looking candle, I would just go ahead and heat the jars, and don't be like me and skip that step. Alright, so for this candle, I did try using some of the dry flowers that it comes with. I did do this a little too soon because most of the flowers you see me using here just ended up sinking to the bottom. I did light the candle as soon as it cured. I didn't really have any safety issues with the dried flowers, but again, you don't want to overdo it. I only use maybe 4 or 5 pieces. But so far I haven't had any fire hazards, if that's any concern to any of you. And now for my lemon candle, I decided to just keep it simple and clean. I didn't add any flowers or any dye. I decided to just, keep it as basic as possible. Alright, and for the last candle, I do decide to go with a full block of blue just to show you guys how pigmented it can be at the end result. I did use the vanilla fragrance with this one. Overall, I did enjoy the process and this kit. However, after lighting, so far I've only lit the lavender and the lemon candle, so I can't speak for the other two, but the fragrance hot throw is very much there. I think I have more of a sensitive nose. I don't really like too much of a hot throw, but if you guys don't mind that, I would say go ahead and try this kit out. Again, this was $40 and I do think it was worth the experience, so definitely check it out. Okay, so both candles have solidified. It is nighttime, so just forgive the lighting. I did try to fix the tops with a heat gun. As you can tell, I have some flakiness going on and some bubbles. Again, I did not heat the jars. Another thing that I did not do correctly was I ended up pouring a little too high up, because you can see that I can't even put the lid on. But again, that's no fault of the kit. That was just my own fault. But overall, I really love this kit. Again, I'm almost finished with my lemon jar. I love the scent. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.